Okay, let's get warmed up. Start with a squat. Now this workout is only 15 minutes long, so this warm-up is only 1 minute. If you need longer, I've linked in the description a longer warm-up. Now take it side to side, bringing your hips across. We're gonna be doing lots of squats. I'll be showing modifications for intensity and impact, so don't feel like you have to jump or go deep in your movements if that doesn't feel right for you. Round release your back. We'll be doing 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds to rest. We've got 7 patterns of movements and we'll repeat them twice. All right? Come up and hinge through the hips. Warm up through the hamstrings. Nice job. Remember, take longer if you need it. Circle one knee out, then the other knee. Okay, so we're gonna start our first pattern. It's a speed skate. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, hold in 2 jacks. Okay? Hold in 2 jacks. Okay, are you ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold in 2 jacks. Hold in. Now you go at your own pace. You could always make it a wide tap. Okay, that's low. Don't feel like you have to go high if you don't want to. Bend those knees. We're just getting started. Use your arms. Rest. 20 seconds. So next move is a squat reach and then circle twice. Squat reach, circle twice. All right, you got less than 10 seconds. Remember, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. So work it and go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Reach, reach. Easy to modify this one. Okay. You're halfway. Abs tight, always. Always supporting that low back. Big circles. Rest. Okay, next movement, we're gonna be moving laterally, although you don't have to, you can stay stationary. So it's a battle rope. A small wave, move. Small wave, move. Decoy. Go back. Okay, ready? Go. Down, over, down, over. Switch, switch. Travel. Now you could step, tap, tap. Little quarter turn. Small, big. Come on, use your whole body. Small, big wave. Turn center, turn center. And time. Rest. Next move. So we got a 2-knee repeater, 2-knee repeater, step front kick, step front kick. All right? You could jump that. Kick bigger, bigger. All right? Ready? And go. Knee. Knee. Front kick. Front kick. Remember, the jumping, optional. Use your arms. You could stay grounded. Front kick, front kick. You're halfway. Could you work harder? You don't have to. Maybe you want to do more steady state. That's good too. Nice. Okay, next move. Little mambo forward, squat, 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 squat. Forward, forward, tap, 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 tap. All right, you got it? You good? And go. Squat, 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 squat. Remember, go at your own speed. It's like a dance move for people that can't dance, like me. I just want to do like arm movements. You look good. Rest. Okay, next drill. Reach down, jack. Reach down, jack. Step, double curl. Step, double curl. Reach down, jack. Reach down, jack. Double curl, double curl. Get that heel all the way up. Ready? And go. Squat, jack. Squat, jack. Step, double curl. Double curl. Modification. In. Still curls without the jump. Make sure you're switching that reach down. Which arm is reaching? Try not to make it reaching with your back. Squat into it. Get that depth. Don't feel like you have to touch the floor. You don't. Just something to aim for. Come on. Remember, use the arms. I'm going to show you a modification for this, but I'm going to show you the high first. Jump forward, jog back, squat kick, step forward, come back, squat not as deep, squat kick. Either one. Go. This is the last move of the block before we repeat. Land on a bent knee, land softly, squat, kick, squat, kick. So remember, if that's too much, you can do that staggered jump. So you land one foot then the other. Okay, if that's too much impact. Remember, the name of the game is just getting the heart rate up. However you do that. And I want you to stay safe. Squat, kick, I forgot what I was doing. Okay, halfway point rest. Then we're gonna repeat everything. Minimal cueing, I'm just gonna tell you what it is, and you focus and do the best you can. Okay, we're back at the top. Do you remember what it was? No? That's okay, it's my job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? 3, 2, go. Next one, remember we have up and then circle, other way. You're on the bottom half of this, you're at the top, now we're going back down. Wrapping it up, ready, go. Okay, we're back to that lateral moving battle rope move. Small wave, big wave, quarter turn, quarter turn. Are you ready? Remember, stay stationary if you prefer that. You don't have to travel with this. And go. Okay, so we've got that toonie repeater, front kick, front kick. You could jump those kicks, you could keep it low. Come on, we're almost there. Push yourself, work as hard as you can. Remember, take that rest and go. You're awesome. You can do it. Okay, we've got that little mambo move. Forward, back, side, 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 side. Remember, low, low. It could be a tap, or you could go squat, just not as deep. All right, make it your own. Just be honest with yourself. It's okay to sweat. HIIT is meant to get you out of breath. But remember, if you don't want to work that hard today, you don't have to. It's your choice. Nothing wrong with that. Maybe you just want to move. Let's see if I can do one more. Made it. Two more drills. All right, reach down, jack your feet, curl, curl. Okay, not as deep. Still 2 curls. Got it? Go. Remember, get your hips back on that squat. Don't keep your butt up in the air. Remember, you go faster, you go slower. Reach those arms up. Lots of ways to get the heart rate up without jumping. Remember, a little bit of impact helps with bone density. Okay, so does strength training. Last move. All right, you can do this. Even if you only do half of it, I'll take it. So we got our jump forward, jog back, squat kick, step forward, step back, sit back a little bit, squat, kick low. All right, go. Remember, you could also do that staggered jump, squat, kick. So, boom, boom, go back. Get low. Land very softly. Absorb that muscle, absorb the impact with your muscles, not your joints. So you don't want to land hard, okay? You're almost there. Come on, this is the last one. Last one, you can do this. You can do anything. You really can. Awesome job. High five, double high five to you. Quick cool down. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hinge forward. Round the back. Straighten. Bring it back up. Tuck under. Back and up. Now, remember, you don't want to do HIIT intervals every day, okay? Especially if you're really working hard. One more of these, 2 or 3 times a week at most. And bring it all the way up. If you're just moving for the sake of moving and staying fit, that's great. All right, incorporate some strength, mobility. I'll be posting my calendar for the month, each month going forward. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know how you did. Give it a like if you enjoyed the workout, or even if you didn't, in a good way. Consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.